what issue have you called the press meet?
I have called the press meet today to tell the people for what the APHLC have been fighting for. We are fighting for achievement of autonomous state under Article 2. During this delimitation process, we have submitted a memorandum to the Delimitation Commission requesting them to create another parliamentary constituency for Dimaha South and more than 3 legislative assembly constituencies for Dimaha South. Total, we demanded 15 or 16 LA constituencies, including Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. But the government, the election commission has not, delimitation commission has not granted to us, except Amri constituency has been created for us. But that is also the creation, the boundary is very much defective. It is only giving opportunity for non-tribal people to win election in Rongkang. That's what they have done. And they have also delimited the boundaries for Hauraghat also and for Bukajan for the benefit of non-tribal people. So we are fighting against it. If we win the election, we will fight for it, and we will fight for more constituencies in Dimaha South and separate parliamentary constituency for Dimaha South. Another point, we have been fighting for strengthening of the 6th schedule and restoration of the power that we have already lost of the 6th schedule. According to law, according to Constitution of India under Article 243M, Panchayat cannot be established in 6th schedule area because the autonomous councils, these are our panchayats. It has been permitted by Article 243D of the Constitution of India, and panchayat of the plain area cannot be established. It is written in the Constitution and also in the Assam Panchayati Raj Act, Clause 1, Section 1. It is written there. So now the government themselves has violated the Constitution and the 6th schedule and Panchayat law. Now we are fighting in this election for restoration of the full power to the 6th schedule and for cancellation of the order for establishment of the non-tribal panchayats in 6th schedule area. Panchayat is a committee that I need not go to so far, I think. It is a committee of 5 members. But we have got committees of 10 members in Karbi Anglong among the Karbi people. And other Raji Naisoko, Tulsong Waisa, and then Dorbar Snow, and then Aking Nokma, Songko, what is that? Politics. We want to restore our land and our race and protect them to the full according to the Constitution and according to the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. Yeah, we are also taking them along with us. We are fighting for them, all of them. And in the bigger field, they get 5 crores, 5 lakhs, 20,000 per month out of tribal welfare fund. See, and how will we progress? Yes, because of this, Karbi people out of 100 houses, 90%, 90 houses are mud plastered house. Mud plastered houses. Even now, the children sleep on damp floor, hardened floor. If you go to their kitchen, you will not find even one fist of rice in their kitchen. This is the position. They sleep on the floor. The children also. The wall, this mud plastered were all broken. This is the condition in Karbi Anglong among the tribal people. And there is no road leading to Kuki area. No road at all. No road at all. Even a motorcycle cannot go. The Kuki area and Singhason Karbi area and Borpung Tarapung area and Jinam Valley in Dimhasao, Jinam Valley. To go to Jinam Valley, it is only, the distance is only 32 kilometers. It requires 8 hours to travel. What is that? That means there is no road at all. 73 years have passed. They have not constructed even a road in Jinam Valley. And there are several places like that in Dimhasao. We have got nothing to drink. There is no water. There is no ring well. The ring well under this ministry, the present ministry, they took up a ring well construction. There is no water. All incomplete ring wells. All incomplete dwelling houses. How is this? So we are fighting against this. Schedule has been given to us to raise us to the level of the general people. Now, here in Karbi Anglong itself, the level of general people is as high as this, and the 6th schedule people is still down below there, even in 6th schedule area. To tell you the truth, it is like Karbi. Even his lengthy is also snapping, helping the pilot flying a rocket, that kind of thing.
Present government under the leadership of Narendra Modi, it is said that Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, they have a very common slogan since they came into power. Do you think that particular slogan has been properly implemented in the Hill district?
In not only in Hill district, I think it is not implemented in the whole of northeastern India.
So do you think during this 10 years, tenure of 10 years, Karbi Anglong district and Dimhasao, have they developed?
As I have told you, their development has reduced. They have got no money at all in their hand. Their houses are broken down. They have got no teacher in the school. The schools are closed in the villages. They have got no place to read, and the parents cannot afford to send the children to good schools. So they send them to plain area in Nagaon district, Morigaon district, Kamrup district, Silchar, and Golaghat district, Sibsagar. Everywhere they send Hojai district to work there as slaves. As you know, Sunila Ronghangpi was also sent there to Roha in one house of Borthakur, and she was burned to death. It is because there is no school in Karbi Anglong. There is no proper school. There is no teacher, and the parents do not have the capacity to purchase books for the children. They have got no capacity to feed the children, so they send them to non-tribal villages, non-tribal people in the plain district to work as slaves. And then they are killed. Many of them are killed. Many of them are converted. One Bijoy Senar from Dengthawoli in Chintong. Bijoy Senar, he has been taken to Nagaon district. He is kept there. And he was converted into Bijoy Bora now. He does not know his parents. Parents are not allowed to meet him. Parents used to go. Parents are not allowed to meet him. And so he has forgotten Karbi language totally. And he does not He does not want to come to his parents. This is the position. We have been reduced to such a stage like this.
So do you think the vast population of the free hill system have realized their mistake of bringing the BJP into power in the state?
So far I know, the hill people, especially Karbi people, have realized. Hill people and the hill people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong people have realized. And the Mahasau also they have realized recently, because they have found now that they do not have autonomous district now. It is Ponchat now. And so no development there also. You know, if you go to Haflong, all the roads are broken.